Hello there and welcome back. Today we are going to look at a factorization problem. It looks intimidating at first glance, but by the end of this video we will break it down step by step and make it completely stress-free. Let's look at the problem. This is question 14 from the WASSCE Mathematics 2026 exam. We are asked to factorize completely, open bracket, h squared minus k squared, close bracket, minus p, open bracket, h plus k, close bracket. Below it, we have our four possible options. For clear, detailed preparation across your WAEC, JAMB, and NECO exams, QandA at QandAHelp.com provides the exact tools you need to understand past questions like this one. Solving this relies on spotting the underlying algebraic structure that connects these variables. Let's start with the first part of the expression. We will focus only on the h squared minus k squared and leave the rest of the equation alone for a moment. This specific setup is a core identity called the difference of two squares. The rule is that a squared minus b squared expands into two brackets, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Applying that directly to our variables, h squared minus k squared becomes h plus k multiplied by h minus k. Now we take that expanded version and place it right back into our original expression. Our full equation now reads h plus k times h minus k minus p times h plus k. By expanding that one piece, we have revealed the common variables we need to shrink the entire equation down into its final form. With the equation expanded, our next step is to look for any elements that repeat on both sides of the minus sign. Think of this equation as two baskets. Basket 1 holds h plus k and h minus k. Basket 2 holds p and h plus k. When we look closely at both halves, we see that the bracket h plus k appears identically in both. That makes it our common factor. Because it exists in both terms, we can pull it out to the front of the entire expression as a single unified piece. Next, we open a new large set of square brackets to collect everything left behind. From the first half, we drop in the h minus k. From the second half, we drop in the minus p. To clean this up, we remove the inner parentheses from the second bracket. The expression simplifies to h plus k multiplied by h minus k minus p. Notice that we didn't delete any variables. Factorization simply reorganizes shared elements into a tighter, more efficient structure. Let's bring back our original test options. Comparing our final calculation to the board, we can clearly see that option A is the correct match. But take a moment to look at option D. Option D is a carefully placed trap. It shows only the expanded difference of two squares. If a student finishes that first step and forgets to include the minus p section, they will choose D and lose the mark. In multiple choice exams, partial truths are dangerous for rushed test takers. Take the extra seconds to finish the entire process. To lock this in, let's review what we did. First, we expanded the difference of two squares. Next, we found the common bracket. Finally, we factored it out. Let's test that logic. Quick quiz 1. Factorize x squared minus y squared. The answer is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Quick quiz 2. Factorize a squared minus b squared minus q times a plus b. Expand the squares, then factor out a plus b. You are left with a plus b multiplied by a minus b minus q. Finally, quick quiz 3. Which specific mathematical identity helped us start this whole process today? The difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Returning to our original WASSCE 2026 question 14, we confidently select option A as our final answer. Navigating these exams comes down to applying clear frameworks over and over. Head over to QandAHelp.com to study more past questions, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step solutions. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next session.